Hello everyone, so if you want to add or remove a watermark on your photo on the Redmi Note 13, so first of all open up your camera. Now at the top you can find this arrow icon, tap on it and here you'll see your watermark. So to enable your watermark, simply tap on this icon. When it glows with yellow color it means it's on. Now tap at the bottom right corner of this icon and here you can choose how to use it, so whether add timestamps on top, use device watermark, or you can choose a custom watermark. So let's press custom watermark, let's write anything, for example hello world, press check mark, okay. And now if we're gonna take any kind of picture, we'll see our watermark. Here it is. So basically that's it. And once again, if you want to turn it off, tap on the watermark icon, take a picture, and as you see now it goes without any kind of watermark. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.